Snap it in, it's acrylic base, custom fit for every face. It's on the palate or under the tongue, this is where the whole build's begun. Wires gleam like braces, cousin, bending pressure, moving dozen teeth around with gentle force, all without a fixed course. Clasp for retention, holds it tight. Labial bow keeps the front teeth right. Springs for pressure, screws for space. We're guiding teeth into their place. Plates so smart but still remove, teaching teeth how they should move. Learn the parts, know the names, that's how we win the ortho game. Adam's clasp, it locks on molars like little arms for oral soldiers. C clasps hug with quiet pride, keeping that retainer snug inside. The labial bow, a frontal guard, protects alignment, standing hard. Finger springs, tiny coils, pushing teeth through gentle toils. Expansion screw, a widening king. Midline magic with a key turn swing. Bite plane flat or sloped incline, helps adjust that jaw just fine. For crowding gaps or crossbite fix, removable spring in clever tricks. Compliant counts, wear it right, or you'll delay your ortho flight. Clasp for retention, holds it tight. Labial bow keeps the front teeth right. Springs for pressure, screws for space. We're guiding teeth into their place. Plates so smart but still remove, teaching teeth how they should move. Know each part, learn the aim, master the removable game. Say it loud, say it proud. Ortho tech stand out in the crowd. From base plate pink to shiny steel, removable